WEN 3600 DF360iX. Finishing up the break-in period. Got about another 4 or 5 more hours to go. It says for the first 8 hours to not exceed 50% load and get that first oil change in to get all the, you know, the break-in, whatever metallics or anything that wants in there. But it says, yeah, first oil change 8 hours, don't exceed 50% load. So we're finishing up that first 8 hours right now. Since the last videos I ran for probably 2 or 3 hours. Probably another maybe 5, 6 to go here. Since I got to run it, testing out my window AC unit for about 800-900 watts. Might as well get some cooling out of it since I'm burning that propane. But once we finish this up, we'll do the oil change and go from there. Alright, we just finished up break-in period. It's about 6 hours here, and then we did 2.5 the other day. That finishes the break-in period, and then the oil change here. One thing I want to check, let's just see how much propane we use. This was full 20 pounds, or however much they filled it up. I actually had this one filled. This wasn't a swap out. But let's see. This gauge, it does by weight. Let's see, set it to 20-pound tank. Let's see what it says there. This was saying 100% when we started. 62%. Yeah, 62% full on about 8 hours running. And yeah, that's about right, because I was running the window unit off of it some. I wasn't running anything at all. It was in eco mode a lot of the time. So let's say 20 to 50% runtime. Estimate on the box says, you know, 14 hours for the 20-pound tank, and I was running it below. That's at 50% load, their estimate, and I was running below that. So we got 8 hours. And based on this number, we'd get, you know, 16, maybe 17, running 25%. So pretty happy with that. We'll do more longer tests here, but let's go get the oil change on it. Okay, finished the 8-hour break-in on this, and I'm gonna do its first oil change. They say to do it 8 hours, and after that you can, you know, run above 50% load. Unfortunately, this guy doesn't have oil drain plug, so you've got to get to the dipstick and tip it over and get it everything. Yes, this looks like a kerosene tank, but I've only ever used it for oil, so before I see the comments for that. But yeah, we're gonna open the side panel here. Put the bucket up here and drain it out. It's pretty warm. Got some backup paper towels and a backup in here in case this goes kind of. See how bad this goes. Alright, make sure that's going to work. Get this in like that. It's used oil. Dripping a little bit. Oh, that's fun. You don't have any gasoline in this. It'd be, I don't know if it'd be recommended to do this with the. Tip it all the way over, get the last little bit. It's such a pain in the butt. All wouldn't call that good. Well, it made a little bit of a mess. Let me get some paper towels here. Probably would have worked better with a Gatorade bottle or something like that. Add this to the pile of all the oil changes. Yeah, not too bad. Get this on a flat surface. And some more 10W30. Get new oil in here. 10W30. This takes 500 milliliters. It's kind of nice. When it was new, it came with oil. In a few generators I've seen that comes with it, and it was pre-filled to the exact amount, so you just pour it in there and got the right amount. So use the try to see that. I'll try to get close to 500 milliliters here. So we're at more ways to go. Down to 7. Start measuring once we get closer to 6, because I don't know how much I trust the side marker on this guy. Let's see. And if we start overflowing, well, then I make a nice show for the video. That's 6. Let's see. One more. Let's see where that puts us on a dipstick. Halfway, 3/4 can go a little more. Let's check it one more time. Oh yeah, keep going here. Us. Might be right on at the 500. Let's add more, see what that does for us. There. Almost to the top. I could just use a few drops more. Yeah, that puts us right at the 500 mark on this guy, so pretty accurate, but I didn't want it spilling everywhere, so taking a cautious approach. Right there, 500. Right, who we want it? Check it one more time. It's hard to get. Light's getting low. Maybe just a tad. It's got 2 little diamonds there that. Get to that last diamond. Don't want to overfill it. Be on the cautious side here. Yeah, that's where we want to be. Alright, yeah, that's all there is to it. So we got the break-in. I think it says after the 8-hour break-in, now you can run above 50% usage, so I'm going to test them with that. And then it's saying another oil change of 25 hours. And that'll be quite a bit for me unless there's some serious event that's coming in the winter, but that's what we have these things for. So get the cover back up on here, all buttoned up. But overall, yeah, seems like it's going to be a good machine. Again, got my other WEN that you saw, and maybe the other video that I can use gas if I need, but hopefully sticking to propane, it's going to be good here. But yeah, I hope it helps someone.